I am the architect, and I will tell you why the speed of light is not just a number. People call it the cosmic speed limit, but that is not why it matters. The deeper truth is this: the speed of light is the refresh rate of reality. Because reality is not made of matter. Reality is made of information carried by phase and spin through light clocks. Every quantum state evolves by turning an angle through time. That turning is angular frequency. Energy equals the reduced Planck constant times angular frequency. This means that nothing can go faster than light. In quantum information holography, every point of space-time is a qubit, a tiny detector. The geometry of that projection is simple. The velocity in the x direction is c times the cosine of theta. The velocity in the y direction is c times the sine of theta. Those are just the percentages of the same full light speed projected onto two directions. And the x part squared plus the y part squared always equals the total light speed squared. You never lose any light. That is why when you move, you do not add speed to light. You rotate how motion is split between space and time. Time slows, because space-time must preserve the light clock. Mass cannot reach c because mass is trapped light. And this trapped light becomes the stored spin of matter. To push it faster, you must force a light clock to outrun light. And that cannot happen. Photons do not experience time because along light there is no internal ticking. Emission and absorption are the same instant. So the speed of light is not a limit placed on the universe. It is the structure of the universe. It is the conversion between space and time. It is the boundary of cause and effect. Newton used gravity to link Earth and Moon. Romer used that structure to show that light has travel time. Einstein saw that the constant speed was not about light, and quantum information holography goes deeper still. Space-time is the integrated projection of light clocks. Gravity is their curvature. The speed of light is the tick rate of the universe. It is the speed that reality updates itself.